Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to solve. The problem revolves around a data frame that contains random choices and values, where we need to generate cumulative sum columns based on the categories present in two specific columns. It's a bit tricky, but we'll figure it out together. Now, let's dive into the solution provided. The first step involves using the melt function to reshape the data frame, followed by groupie.transform to calculate the cumulative sum with the shift and cumsum methods. Finally, the original shape is restored using the pivot function. This approach allows us to efficiently generate the ANS1 and ANS2 columns based on the provided conditions. Building on the initial solution, we can introduce a custom order for the categories by using ordered categoricals. By defining the order of categories and sorting based on this order, we ensure that the final result aligns with our requirements. This additional step enhances the precision and clarity of the cumulative sum calculations. Continuing with the solution, the code snippet provided helps generate the desired output with ANS1 and ANS2 columns displaying the cumulative sum values based on the specified categories. The approach is efficient and streamlines the process, resulting in a clear and structured representation of the cumulative sums for each category. In the final step, we set up the input data using random seed values to create a test scenario. This ensures consistency and reproducibility in our results, allowing for thorough testing and validation of the implemented solution. By establishing a controlled environment for data generation, we can confidently assess the functionality of our approach. To summarize, we've successfully tackled the problem of generating cumulative sum columns based on category occurrences in a data frame. The solution provided offers a systematic and efficient method to derive the desired results, showcasing the power of Pandas functions in data manipulation. I hope you enjoyed unraveling this data puzzle with me. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment to let me know your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!